Welcome back to another video from High Techno. In this channel, I make tutorials on Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if you're new here, make sure to smash on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch more tutorials every week. Alright, so today I will be showing you how to fade your video at the end of your clip so you would have an effect just like this. Alright, so to get started, I have a video clip on my timeline. Now what you need to do is move your marker to the end of your video. So now when you move to the end of your video, find for the point where you want to start your fade out effect from. So I'm going to zoom in a bit by dragging on these clips from here and by holding on options, or if you are using a Windows you could hold on to Control key and zoom in so you would have a wider view of your timeline. And now what you got to do is you got to go into your effects panel, and that is over here. Hold on to your arrows which is popping up over here, select that and head over to your effects panel. Once you come into your effects panel, search in for the dip to black. Alright, it will be under video transitions and dissolve. You would find dip to black or dip to white. So you could go with your preferred choice, but what I would recommend you to do is go with dip to black, so that will give you a more cinematic view in your video. So to get that, you just simply got to hold on to your first icon which is over here and simply drag that to the end of your video. And now if you notice, the effect will be there only for a small part of the video. So if you want to make it or have a lengthy duration of your effect, which you should do, so you would have a beautiful cinematic effect in your video, so what you need to do is zoom in by holding on to the option key and scrolling into your video timeline, and you would find your dip to black effect over here. So in order to increase the duration, just simply move your mouse pointer towards the dip to black and just simply by using a mouse pointer drag it till your pointer is there. And now when you play the video, you would have a simple dip to black effect like this. Alright, as you can see, before the video ends itself, the video would turn into a fully black version. In order to make that change, what you need to do is make sure you select your dip to black so it opens up in your effects control panel and you find something called the A and the B. So you would find the start, which you could just leave it like that, but the end you got to change it to about 50, so you would display your video a little bit more longer and you would have the black effect popping into your video. So what I would recommend you to do is move your end to about 50. If you want, you could reduce it more, but I'm going to show it by 50. And now when you play the video, you would be showing your viewer the video plus the black effect coming into your video in a longer duration time. And there you go. I hope you benefited from this tutorial. If you did benefit, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.